Hi there and welcome back to Crypto Bull After Hours Update. So today we see that the market is rising, it's rising and shining, and I love it. Seeing the Bitcoin stabilize and going up in a way that it will find its way up. If we see the day charts, all rising. If we see the week charts, it's lower but still going up in a way that we can maintain our value in a way that the Bitcoin will keep his value in a way that due to all the news coming out, I think it will stabilize in a way that it will benefit us in a way that if you bought in low, it will rise. As we can see in the last 24 hours, it went up. It not went up to the point of where they were in the beginning of this month, but still up. On the day trade as well, it's going up. On the hour trade, it's going up. So everything positive in that way. Let's check the other coins. So we go to the Bitcoin Cash. As I said before, for me it's a one-on-one. If the Bitcoin goes up, the Bitcoin Cash goes up. As we can see, the line is going up in the hour trade as well as in the day trade. It went a little bit down, but it's still higher than we started with. In the week trade, we see the big dip of last week, but still it maintains its stability, meaning that even Bitcoin Cash holds its value. During the month, we went down a little bit, a lot. We went down more than 100 euros if you put it back into euros, but still after the dip, we maintain our position. Ethereum coin, I bought a Ethereum coin just to show you guys what the market does. In this case, the market went down this month, but if we check it back into the hours, the days and the week, then we see that it maintains its line in a way that there's profit to be made if you are there from the beginning. I say from the beginning because a lot of people that are speculating at the moment are there from the beginning. The people that are buying in right now, they should buy in when it's low, like you see in this turn. It was low a few days ago, but still it's rising and shining. In a way that of course it's down, but that means that there's more volume to buy, so start buying. In the same time, the Litecoin, interesting coin, in a way that the technology behind it has a lot of speculations. I don't know where it goes, but all I can see is that it should go up. Even if it went down, then now is the time to buy in a way that I don't think that it will fall down more than it is now, so the only way to go is up. Even in this graphics it doesn't show uprise, but if you read the news, and let me tune into the news, if you tune into the news, then you will see that there's a lot going on, especially for all the cryptocurrency markets. As we can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP and Bitcoin Cash, all the way to EOS, it holds its value. Of course, it's a market that is unsure in a way that where are we going. The XRP and Ripple, especially this coin, will I think make an uprise in a way that it will hit the $3 again. Why do I think this? Because of all the stuff going on in the news. As we know, Bitcoin is controlled in a way that you have the pump and dumps in there. 8% of the market, as we know from last news, is controlled by the Chinese in a way that they have the biggest farms to farm the Bitcoin, and in that way they can control by pump and dump. We saw this a few times happening. I don't say that it happens from out of China, but it makes sense in the long run. In the long run, it also makes sense that XRP will find his way up because it's interacting with legit institutions in the financial market. The players that they are talking to, for example, the Santander Bank has a lot of clients, and also the financial system in the States is willing to integrate XRP in their daily management in a way that it will be easier for you and me to buy crypto and to get rid of it. Let's see where this market is going. For now, it's rising and shining, so that's quite important to know. The rise and shine of the Ripple coin, let us call it the Ripple effect. As well, I want you guys to know that Cryptoboo is on Twitter. You can find us there. Like I said, this channel is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a trader or advisor. I'm not sponsored in any way or form. The things that I show are the things that I show that come out of my wallet and is my view on the market. If you like my views on the market, then please follow, like and subscribe. Hit me up on Twitter, find me on Instagram, and enter the giveaway. It will probably be the best investment you ever made. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is follow us on our multimedia interactive, and however you want to call it, sites. We are on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and on Twitter. The people that will follow us will be able to participate in the 1,000 follower giveaway, meaning that we will pick one person out of the first 1,000 followers that will receive 1 Bitcoin. As well, in the giveaway we have cases, our phone cases. You can see it in my other video. We are giving these away as well. All you need to do is subscribe, follow, like and leave a comment. So by saying all this to promote myself, back to the markets, because that's why we are here. The markets are okay in a way that they find their way up. Let me show you a little bit about the last markets. Here we have the Litecoin going up in a way that it doesn't hit his highs, but it's still not hitting its lows. As we can see in the market caps, there's a lot of charts and a lot of things going on. So let's see what we can find in our annual and in our rankings. By going to the rankings, I will show you the top market. As we can see, Bitcoin going up. As we can see, all the other coins are going up in a way that they find their stability, meaning that if you are willing to invest, then this is the time to step in. We are not gonna go any lower. If we go any lower, then it will be a dip because of the things that are happening and the things that are being controlled by the big players, the dump and pumps favorite. You can see the switch in the upgoing and downgoing over time, meaning that a lot of big players buy in or sell out. I think that for us with a small wallet, now is the time to think about investing in certain coins. The XRP is really important in a way that these coins cannot be collected by farming. These coins are established coins that are the blockchain technology that they will integrate into the banking system, meaning that this coin gets its value out of the market that the Bitcoin doesn't appreciate, the market of the legit established businesses. I think that with Ripple XRP, it will be for all of us a step up in a way that we are able to get easier access to the crypto market and have a little bit of insurance in there. In a way that now is the time for the cryptocurrency to work on their upcoming future. Regulations and laws all around the world are being hold on tight, meaning that if a coin gets its value, then they need to explain where they get it from and how do they think they maintain their value. Also, the old wallets of the Bitcoin are being pressed down by other companies that took the way to the commercialized way of trading. I say commercialized way of trading is because they want to implement their blockchain technology into the current market to make it easier for us. XRP is doing well. EOS, really good player as well, holding their value because they come from a long way. Litecoin lost a lot of value but finding its stability, and along the way we will see that more of these coins will come back up. If you haven't followed us on Twitter, then feel free to like and subscribe, and find me there, Cryptable, Cryptable B, and a lot of numbers, but find me and connect to my YouTube channel, and that's the way that you're watching this video now. So everything combined, you will get a clear view of what I'm intending to do. My intentions with this account is to show you guys all that even with a small market and even with a small wallet, you can still make profit. As you guys know, when you have watched my videos before, then you see that there's uprise in my videos and in the amount of followers that like my videos, in a way that I think sharing my information with you guys is like sharing it with my friends. It's all about the discussion about where does the cryptocurrency go and where do we want it to go. By saying where do we want it to go, meaning that Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrency is still for a lot of people abracadabra. Abracadabra in a way that it's not magic, but your money can go like magic, or it can rise like magic. A lot of people don't interact on the crypto market because they don't understand the technology behind it. For this, I made this account to explain people and to show people that even with a wallet that only contains 300 euros in there, you can still rise and shine on the market. My bet is on the Ripple. I own 168 coins, and it's not a lot, but imagine it will make the uprise as the Bitcoin did last year, then I will be a very happy man. As we can see, the Bitcoin is rising and shining over the last 24 hours. It made its dip, it made its downfall, but it's back in the game, and I hope that it will maintain. If we go back to the hours of the day, it has its dip again, but still it maintains higher than we started today. I hope it will maintain. During the month we fall back, but we have a little uprise in there, so let's see where it goes. Let me say one more time that this channel is my channel. It's not sponsored in any way or form. It's my views on the market. I'm not an expert, I'm not an advisor. I don't advise you in this video where to invest or how to invest. In this video I just want to show you my wallet. It's my small wallet that I made just to show you guys that if you start with a certain amount, you can still grow. If you look back into my videos from the last 3 days, then you see that we are in between the 290 or 285 euros all the way up to where we are now, meaning that you can still make some money. So by saying all this, tomorrow I will dive into the unknown, into the unknown, that I will show you guys a little bit more on the news on the crypto market. There's a lot of things going on, and there's a lot of things that we can discuss. Let's see where it goes. It's all really energetic at the moment, so let's hope that we can keep this vibe, and let's hope that we can build our wallet. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Cryptable After Hours is for entertainment purposes only. This is my wallet that I share with you guys, and I hope that you guys like it. Leave a comment if you want to know something more, or if you want to go in depth into some topics. I would love to discuss these topics with you guys in my video. Leave me a comment. Let's see where the market goes. Over and out. See you guys soon. Cryptable After Hours. Like and subscribe. Feel free to follow, and see you guys soon.